Hey guys, welcome back to my review. Today I'm doing a 25v25, and I've tried doing it silent, which was actually really nice, quite nice. I tried doing it with very little commentary, which was hard, because I just blurt something out randomly and it'd make no flippin' sense when I'm supposed to be basically saying no commentary. I was trying to make it sound realistic to a degree, which is completely impossible when you aren't actually talking to a squad. So, yeah. Oh, perfect. 15 minutes long. That's all I really have time for today. Really. It's a bit bright. Ouch. I don't know where the bolts are coming from. I hate when it is stormy and blackhawk, bro. You can't see anything. The worst part is it's always nighttime when it storms in blackhawk. It's never daytime. So you can't ever see nothing at all. Like, at this point, it kind of feels like I can actually see farther during, like, without my night vision. Which actually, maybe I might. Maybe I can. Now, if I'm actually trying to snipe someone, no, I do not want to have my night vision on, or off, I mean. But I can see a lot better at nighttime. Oh, he's lucky. He ain't. Oh, if I wasn't looking away, I totally could have got him. Redirect my angle, but nope. Oh. What? Oh, I messed up my flippin'. Oh no! Turn my flashlight off! There's a headlight shining right in my eye, and I don't think I can shoot those out. You know what, let me try real quick. What? Where did he come from? And where the flip is my team at? Bro, come on, guys. You guys gotta team up better. You guys can't just be all willy-nilly everywhere. No, oh my god, bro. This is hurting. This is starting to hurt a lot. Like, bro, I can't even spawn because all my team just has to be flipping lined up in one spot. Oh, there. I like that house I was in. Let's see if I can get back over there. He's in there. That's better. Even with a headshot, the pistols aren't good enough, to be honest. Okay, that wasn't great. Okay, we're doing good, No way. Let's take a few bandages. Always 3 shots. Got him. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.